Hello, and welcome to this little light Winter Solstice Meditation to honor this sacred turning point in the wheel of the year, the longest night and the return of the light. This is a sacred time of deep reflection and inner transformation. There's a profound, energetic shift symbolizing a sacred pause to release the old, creating space for new possibilities. Guided by Capricorn's grounded energy and Saturn's wisdom, we will journey inward to align with the natural cycles of rest and renewal. So take a moment to settle in, find a safe and comfortable position, either seated or lying down. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes, rolling your shoulders up, down, and back, inviting a little darkness, a little quiet, retreating inward. Let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths in through the nose for a count of 3, and then out for a count of 6. Inhale, bringing that breath into the heart space. Pause, and then exhale. Inhaling deep into the belly now. Pause, and then exhale, slowly releasing. One last deep inhale, sending it all the way to the tips of your toes. Pause, and exhale slowly through the nose. Now allow the breath to return to its normal pattern, keeping your awareness on your feet. Picture your energetic root system growing out of the soles of your feet, making their way deep down into the earth, Capricorn's element. These strong, beautiful roots connecting you directly to the stability of Capricorn's grounding energy, anchoring you in the stillness of the season. With each exhale, feel your body grow heavier, completely supported by the earth below. With each inhale, draw in the direct, dependable, determined, and steady energy of Capricorn that makes for a rock-solid foundation. Picture and feel your rock-solid foundation. Embodying this energy, picture and see yourself walking confidently into a dark cave, feeling the unfamiliar ground beneath you, but the safety created by your foundation. Your steps are filled with confidence and determination. You know and trust that you have to make your way through this cave. You know and trust that the things worth doing are worth doing well. Faced with darkness, you know and trust that you are fully capable of doing the work for yourself to reap your ultimate reward. Filled with this knowing and trust, you begin to see shadows cast against the walls. Take note of these shadows as you continue your journey to the center of the cave. You reach the center of the cave and find a single flickering candle casting all these shadows. This candle represents the light of your awareness. As the flame steadies, it casts gentle light on the shadows around you. The shadows represent the challenges, habits, and patterns from the past year that you no longer align with. Take a moment to reflect and notice without judgment what you're ready to release. What has outgrown its purpose in your life? What is a resounding no? No need to judge or analyze, simply observe. Allow these shadows to come into clear view without fear or hesitation. And when you're ready to release them, imagine them being drawn into the candlelight, slowly transmuting into light as the flame burns brighter. The cave growing more and more illuminated. With each shadow released, feel a sense of lightness and clarity. You're creating space for new possibilities. Once the cave is fully illuminated, you notice and sense a wise figure approaching you. It is Saturn, Father Time, the ruler and guide of Capricorn, carrying with him the lessons and wisdom of time. He makes his way towards you and places a small object in your hand that will help you navigate your shadows in the real world. This object offers you insight into the structures and habits that will support your growth in the coming year, and where you need to set boundaries to become the best version of yourself. Take note of what this object is and what it represents to you. It may be a symbol of wisdom, discipline, or something deeply personal to you. Listen closely to any guidance Saturn shares about how you can build a foundation for your goals. Don't force it. It may not come now, but know and trust that it will come when you need it. It may not be easy, but with dedication to putting in the work, it will be extremely rewarding. Thanks, Saturn, for your wisdom. And carrying these insights with you, make your way out of the cave. It is much easier to make your way out now that it is illuminated. Outside the cave, turn your attention to the horizon. Picture the first golden rays of sunlight rising over a snow-covered landscape. This is the light of the solstice, returning to illuminate your path. Feel its warmth on your skin. Breathe that warmth deep into your heart, filling your soul with renewal and hope. As the light grows, let it spread through your entire body, igniting your inner flame. You are a magical part of this natural cycle of rest and renewal, of shadow and light. And you're ready to release the old, to welcome the light of new possibilities. In your mind, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I honor the cycles of rest and renewal. I welcome the light of new possibilities. I set clear boundaries for my greatest and highest good. I am patient with myself and others as we navigate this period of introspection. Take one more moment to bask in this light, armed with your token from Saturn, knowing and trusting that you have all that you need as you step into the year ahead. Bringing your awareness back to your physical body, wiggle your fingers and your toes. Taking a deep breath in for a count of 3. And this time out through the mouth for a slow count of 6. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. There's a winter solstice blessing that says, may you find peace in the promise of the solstice night, that each day forward is blessed with more light, that the cycle of nature, unbroken and true, brings faith to your soul and well-being to you. Rejoice in the darkness, in the silence find rest, and may the days that follow be abundantly blessed. May you go into the rest of your days being abundantly blessed, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.